Come on, Mommy's little helper. Come over here. Come around, go around. There you go. So today, Lily and Mommy are going to, where's the camera? Where's the camera? Today, there it is. Today, Lily and Mommy are going to show you guys easy ways to wrap Christmas presents, right?
In a neat and pretty way.
And organized. Now, Christmas wrapping does not need to be stressful, okay? You take it one step at a time and you can have beautiful packages when you're finished that everybody is going to love. So I'm going to pause the camera for 1 second so we can get started. Be right back. So step one for easy gift wrapping, make sure you're wrapping presents as you're getting them. You don't want to let them all pile up and become a project, so don't let them stack up. Make sure you wrap your gifts as you bring them into the house, so that way it's not a big project and it's easy peasy.
Daddy wants to know when you're going to open all these packages from Amazon, Mommy.
Lily! Another important tip for easy holiday gift wrapping is when you put your stuff away at the end of the season from wrapping, make sure you put it away in an organized manner. I like to use like a little basket. I'll put my leftover pieces of wrapping paper in there, some gift tags, ribbons. So as long as I put it away like this at the end of the year, it's going to be much easier for me to pick up the gift wrapping process next year.
Mommy, you forgot to take the rest of the stuff out of the storage bag from last year.
Okay, sorry about the interruptions, folks. So now that we've gathered all our gift wrapping supplies, you want to make sure that you have the right supplies available. It's really, really important when you're wrapping gifts to make sure you use nice sharp scissors. So I have a pair of scissors that I only use for gift wrapping. You cannot cut anything else with these scissors. You will dull them down. You will make them useless. So you don't cut anything else with the scissors. Just make sure you keep your nice sharp... Lily, where are my gift wrapping scissors? Lily?
Sorry, Mommy, I'm using the scissors to cut my Play-Doh. Here you go.
The Play-Doh. The next step to easy, stress-free gift wrapping is to make sure you're starting with a clean, empty work area. That's strictly for gift wrapping. So if you have anything in the way, what are you doing? No! Oh no! Oh, Lily, that's not what I was talking about. Oh, no. Once you have your work area neat and clean, you want to make sure that you're very gentle when you're unrolling your wrapping paper because it has a tendency to... Lily, gently. So you have to be gentle with the paper as you roll it out because it has a tendency to rip. So you want to make sure that you have nice, clean, straight lines. We're going to demonstrate how to get a clean cut. Okay. Yeah, just like that. Okay. Now, to get nice, clean corners, you're going to want to fold the paper over the edge delicately, and then we're going to put a piece of tape right down here in the middle to keep the one side from moving as we're pulling it tight. Let me go grab the tape for us. Oh, Lily, I think we left the tape in here.
There you go, done.
It's lovely.
All nice and wrapped for you.
A great gift wrapping tip for smaller gifts is to not waste your cuttings from larger gifts or other small gifts that you were wrapping. So if you've got a piece of awkwardly shaped wrapping paper sitting around, you can cut a nice clean piece out of there with nice straight edges. so you can wrap those small gifts with nice clean lines. So you want to take your paper and make sure you cut a really nice straight piece out of that excess paper that you have in order to use it to wrap your smaller presents. Thank you for your help, sweetheart. And there's nothing that finishes off a beautifully hand-wrapped package like a beautiful bow made out of some lovely fabric ribbon. You know, wrap it around the package, tie a nice neat bow on the top of it, and that really tells the person that you wrapped it for that you put a lot of love, thought, and attention into this gift for them. So let's make that beautiful bow. And there we have it, folks. Our beautifully hand-wrapped present. Real quick, real easy. Follow these easy steps to an easy breezy, wonderful Christmas wrapping season.
And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe.
She never misses a beat, this one. So we've got a couple more gifts to wrap. I'll be back.
Daddy, Mommy wants you to pick up some gift bags on your way home from work.